The first commercial flight in 6 years took off on Monday from Sana'a, Yemen's capital under the control of the Houthi rebels, as an essential part of the ongoing truce between the Yemeni warring sides. The Yemeni Airways flight carried 151 passengers, many of whom are patients who seek urgent medical treatment in Jordan. Earlier, the Yemeni national carrier's plane arrived in Sana'a from the southern port city of Aden to pick up the passengers. Water cannons sprayed the Sana'a International Airport's runway when it landed, giving the plane a ceremonial water salute.
اليوم هي تعتبر أول رحلة، يعني بحسب التفاهمات الأخيرة لفتح مطار صنعاء الدولي كان المفروض أن تكون أول رحلة في 24 إبريل، ولكن تأخرت لأسباب كثيرة كما تعلمون. ولكن اليوم الحمد لله يعني منحت الطائرة كل التصاريح، والمسافرون الآن في صالة المطار ينتظرون وصول الرحلة.
وأيضا ونطلب من قبل الأمم المتحدة باستمرار الضغط على العدوان بأن لا يجعلوا الممرات الإنسانية والمنفذ المطار يعني جزءا من الحرب، وأن يرفعوا أيديهم عن هذا الكلام، لأنه ممر إنساني للأمراض الذي مثلنا، ونحن بنعاني من المرض من قبل 2 ومنتظرين فتح المطار فارغ الصبر.
The plane arrived in the Jordanian capital Amman later on Monday. According to Jordan's Civil Aviation Regulatory Commission chief Haytham Misto, the plane later left Amman with 55 passengers on board for Sana'a. Several other flights from and to Sana'a have also been scheduled for the next 2 weeks. On August 9, 2016, the Saudi-led coalition imposed restrictions on Yemen's airspace, resulting in the closure of the Sana'a airport. After that, only planes of the United Nations and other international organizations are allowed to enter the Sana'a airport, which used to be the largest hub in the country for international travel. The UN brokered 2-month truce between the government and the Houthi rebels went into effect on April 2. It marks the first breakthrough in years to end the war that has killed tens of thousands of people and pushed the country to the brink of starvation. Yemen has been mired in a civil war since late 2014 when the Iran-backed Houthi militia seized control of several northern provinces and forced the Saudi-backed government out of Sana'a.